Hello and welcome to this new course in which I'll teach you to try to understand a bit more the subject of composition, color, and especially perspective regarding the normal landscape concept art we can find. My name is Javi and I'm going to voice this course by Carlota, illustrator and character designer. This time I'm bringing you a course in which, besides focusing on perspective, we'll take real references to which later we'll apply our own color palette in a very peculiar way, and we'll generate a series of mosaics that we'll use to include them in our portfolio, which will be made of a palette and a closed range that will help us apply to our drawings in a new level regarding composition using a series of brushes that we'll find and I'll provide in the course. Thank you for enrolling, and I'll see you in the next lesson.